Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telechucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.
Oh, so you guys are back here. So you know what I was actually doing? I realized कि कुछ दिनों में just merely a day or two and lockdown finally खत्म होने के chances है. Offices जाना पड़ेगा, shoes पे जाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन right now I really don't want to go to the malls and buy new stuff because it's not safe. So I thought, why not just transform my old shirts to some DIY hacks, and let's just create some nice trendy shirts out of my old ones. And this is me, Vishakha Pandit, welcoming all of you to Telechucker Presents Style Files with me itself. So let's begin. Well, the first look is that the shirt that I'm wearing right now, technically it's called as a boyfriend shirt because you ideally get a bigger size of the shirt and then you just mix and match it. So even I have done the same thing. So what I'm doing is I am showing you different styles of knots that I can put on my shirt and turn them into nice crop tops. So as you saw, I just opened a bit of it and I am just tying them here. And I just have put one knot and see, voila, I am there. So like this is my look number one, that I just transformed my shirt into a knotted shirt, and this way combine it with your nice shoes, and I'm wearing a black high-waist denim, and you're all set, combining with a nice sling bag or something. So let's move on to look number two. This old shirt of mine, and as you can see, this is like super huge. Okay, this was a shirt when I was fat. This is like a netted shrug that I had, and I used to love this back in time because that time this was in fashion also. Turning this into a nice trendy top right now through all these DIY hacks and my knots. So let's see how this one will come out to be. So well, this shirt, as you can see, it's pretty much khuli hai bahut zyada. So I always like combining this shirt with a nice peggy top that I'm wearing inside, and now just because it's quite deely to me, like badi ho gayi hai size mein, so main usko as a off shoulder also I use it. I take it to one side because as you can see, it's so big. Okay, so I take it to one side. I don't take it complete. I tie a knot on it, and see. And now this shirt can be combined with a nice pair of shorts, or maybe my flip-flops, my shoes or anything, and voila, this is there. So this was look number two. The last look is the same shirt. What if I have a very official thing coming up and I have to go and I don't have time to come back home, and I still want to look so glammed up and something. So what I do is, because these shorts are pretty much big in size, so I prefer tucking them inside my high-waist jeans. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Wait. So I tucked in my shirt inside my high-waist jeans, and I can combine this one with heels, with a pair of boots, with a pair of nice sling bag. My makeup is on point, and I think I'm good to go meet anyone, be it in semi-official meeting or an official meeting, or maybe friends or a date or anything. So that's how you can turn your bigger in size shirts or maybe your old shirts into these nice DIY hand t-shirts or maybe nice tops. And believe me when I tell you this thing, any t-shirt, top or maybe dress of yours can be transformed into looking something really beautiful this summer itself. So you do try these looks and do tell me कि आपको को मेरी ये तीन लुक्स में से कौन सी वाली लुक है जो ज़्यादा पसंद आई, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देख के हम भी चाहते हैं कि उनकी तरह हमें फ्लॉन्ट करने का मौका मिले. एंड यू डू शेयर योर लुक्स विद अस ऑन आवर टेलीचॉकर्स Instagram हैंडल, टैगिंग अस एंड टैगिंग मी, Vishakha Pandit. But this was all for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to Telechucker's YouTube channel for all the more updates about your favorite celebrities and all the more DIY hacks.